How to change Facebook profile name after a limit. So if you want to change your Facebook profile name before 60 days or within 60 days, then first you need to open up your Facebook application and then go for the three bar icon which is on the upper right, and go for your profile, or you can go for your settings and privacy, and then settings, go for personal and account information, and then here you will have your name. Tap on your name, and here you can't change your name, right? So what you can do is you can go for please note, which says please note, go for that note, and then go for the last line which says learn more. Tap on that, and then scroll down, and here, and now here on the upper right side you will have a search icon. Tap on that search icon and then search for how to change your name on Facebook. You will have that search. Tap on that and tap on how to change your name on Facebook, and here if you scroll down, here you will have a line which says if you're having trouble changing your name, please fill in this form to let us know. So you have to simply tap on fill in this form, and then you have to enter your first name and then your middle name if you have your middle name, that is optional, and then your surname or your last name, and you can simply choose files if you want to send some files, and you have to enter your contact email address, the email address which you have used to create your Facebook account. And after entering all of that, you can simply tap on send, which is on the bottom, and after that Facebook will take action and Facebook will help you after that. So that's it. That's the only way to change your name before 60 days, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.